Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. This video is regarding ICMAI announcement on online examination application form for advanced studies examinations to be held in January 2021. So for the examinations that is on advanced studies, that is also going to be held through online mode in January 2021. This notification is on that only. To know what all is in the notification, let's start the video. The important events and dates regarding this notification is the start date of online registration is 3rd December 2020, end date of online registration is 24th December 2020, as well as 24th December 2020 is the last date of payment of application fee as well. The institute has also given you the instructions for filing the online application form, which is first, candidates should ensure that they possess the prescribed minimum qualification and fulfill all conditions or criteria for appearing in the examination of the particular course of Board of Advanced Studies and Research. You should be possessing the minimum qualification as well. Are you fulfilling the criteria or conditions? Then second, your email ID and mobile number, which are mandatory for the application, must be a valid one. Now, while you're giving the online examinations, email IDs and mobile numbers are very important. They should be valid and they should be updated ones. Then only you can be directly communicated by the institute and you will get the information then and there at time. So that they should be valid and they should be the right ones. Before submitting the application form, the candidates are directed to check the data and satisfy that the details entered by them, they are true and correct in all respect before they submit the application. Because once it's submitted, then there will be no change. So before submitting the application, do check it at least twice that you are filing the correct data and you satisfy all the details. Fourth is the online application form for registration. It contains the basic data like personal details and educational details, work experience, photo and signature upload, preview or edit, payment and registration slip. So the online application form and registration slip, there are two stages basically. The stage one will say your basic registration. You will start it by registering yourself and you register yourself as a new candidate and then you will generate your unique registration number. SMS and email, please check spam, is sent on successful registration. Now when you will try to register yourself as a new candidate, you'll put all your details. The site will generate a unique registration number which will be communicated to you through an SMS or email. Now, while talking about the emails and while checking the emails from the institute, make sure that you check the spam as well because sometimes such mails go in the spam, right? So check that for successful registration. When you will be successfully registered, you will get to know it through an SMS and the email. Note, online form is not complete at this stage. Then don't you think that it is complete? Then you have to click on login to continue. Either you log in to continue or you re-log in to complete the form. Now when you'll get your unique registration number from your SMS and email, then you will log in to continue or re-log in to complete the form. Stage 2, re-log in by clicking on login already registered. Now you have got registered, then login already registered with your unique registration number and date of birth and completion of form by completing the following tabs. Now the rest of the form will be completed. Earlier they were just the basic details, then they registered you, communicated your unique registration number by sending you a SMS and sending it on your email as well. Once you're successfully registered, you will re-log in yourself. Now you will log in as a already registered person, not as a new candidate. You will now log in with your unique registration number and date of birth and completion of form by completing the following tabs. Like you have to give your personal details and educational qualification, upload of photograph and signatures, payment of fees and generation of registration slip. Moving forward to the next instruction that says that if at any point of time it comes out that the information given is false during verification or at a future date, the candidate will be summarily rejected without assigning any reasons or notice thereof. If you are giving any false information to the institute, they will rightly reject your form. Candidates may note that if information submitted is found to be false during verification or at any future date, they will be summarily rejected, or admission may stand cancelled without assigning any reasons. The same thing if the information provided is false, the candidature or their application, that will be rejected without giving any reasons. And if the information submitted in the application form is false, then again they will be rejected, or their admission may stand cancelled without any reasons. Candidates are advised to refer the important dates section, which I had earlier told you, the important dates. You should know when the registrations are open, when will they end, then only you can register yourself at time. Incomplete and incorrect applications shall be summarily rejected. Candidates are required to keep their login credentials safely for future use. So you will be using your login credentials in future as well. Keep them at a safe place. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the like button and subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Like the video if you really found it informative.